In this video, we'll cover mixing fondant together to create unique colors. Using a part system is the best way to scale your proportions up or down for a project. Here we have equal parts of orange, blue, and bright green as an example. For our project, we're going to choose a pinkish purple from the color mix guide on satinnights.com. When you choose your swatch, a formula in parts is given. This color calls for 10 parts pink, 8 parts purple, and 3 parts red. Now you can mix these colors together by kneading. While it's always best to use pre-colored fondant, you can also try using a dye. If you're going to try dyeing the fondant, we recommend using gel paste. Remember, never try to achieve a dark color using a light fondant. Not only will it be really expensive to dye, but also too much of it can alter the fondant. Your color is finished once it is all blended together. Move immediately into rolling. Otherwise, wrap the fondant airtight for later.